He's not trying to talk over people's head. He wants to get the point across so everybody can understand.
Construction is something that women will not walk into, but be brave enough to join a community of business owners that are prepared to make their first million and break generational curses. Thank you.
Your hook captures people's attention. Now, the acronym PITCH is not how it starts, right? P-I-T-C-H. It's how you put your pitch together using the different alphabets. Because the hook is what you really you come out with in the first beginning. Think about every time I hooked you all. I said either raise your hand, didn't I? Or I had you all to repeat something, right? That's coming out the gate, getting you all's attention.